All right, well, with that, let me go across to my colleague Shivani Singh for the latest news from Maharashtra.
Hello, I'm Shivani Singh and you're watching Next in Maharashtra, a special segment where we bring you the latest from India's financial capital. Here's what's making headlines in Maharashtra this week. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated the new Bhandewadi police station building in Nagpur, complete with modern facilities to boost law and order. Watch this special report. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated the newly constructed building of the Bhandewadi police station in Nagpur on March 22, 2026. This marks a key step in bolstering law and order infrastructure amid the city's rapid urbanization and growing population in peripheral areas. The new police station, equipped with modern facilities and advanced technological systems, aims to improve response times, policing efficiency, and overall crime prevention. It was established by bifurcating existing jurisdictions to better serve residents and strengthen security in the Bhandewadi area. Fadnavis emphasized that the station will deliver faster and more effective services to citizens, aid in crime prevention, and boost the sense of security across the community. He appealed to the public to actively cooperate with the police, stating that citizen participation is essential for maintaining a safe and secure environment in Nagpur. In other news, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis performed the Bhumi Pujan for the Chavdar Tale water purification project in Mahad, marking the centenary of Baba Saheb Ambedkar's historic Satyagraha. Take a look. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis performed the Bhumi Pujan for the Chavdar Tale water purification and area beautification project in Mahad, Raigad district. The initiative comes during the centenary year of the historic Mahad Chavdar Tale Satyagraha, led by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. From the historic land of Mahad, CM Devendra Fadnavis delivered a powerful message of equality and social harmony. He paid tribute to Baba Saheb Ambedkar's struggle for water access rights. The event serves as a tribute to Baba Saheb's vision of social equality with the water purification project aimed at enhancing the iconic Chavdar Tale site while reinforcing Maharashtra's commitment to justice and inclusivity. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis attended the first convocation of the Ratan Tata Maharashtra State Skills University in Mumbai, stressing skill development as the backbone of national progress. Here's more. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis attended the first convocation ceremony of the Ratan Tata Maharashtra State Skills University in Mumbai on March 21, 2026. The event highlighted the critical role of skill development in driving national progress and empowering the youth. Fadnavis described skilled human resources as the backbone of the country's advancement. He stressed that skill development is essential in today's era to build a future-ready, industry-aligned workforce, aligning with national initiatives like Skill India and creating globally competitive talent. The ceremony, held in the presence of dignitaries including Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, enforced Maharashtra's commitment to youth empowerment through quality skill training and education, positioning the state as a hub for skilled manpower in emerging industries. Deputy Chief Minister Sunitra Pawar has ordered swift damage assessment and immediate relief for farmers hit by unseasonal rains in Baramati and Daund. Here's a report. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Sunitra Pawar has taken immediate note of crop damage caused by unseasonal rains in Baramati and Daund talukas. She has directed officials to carry out an urgent damage assessment and ensure prompt relief reaches the affected farmers without delay. Sunitra Pawar stressed the need for quick and decisive intervention to minimize losses, highlighting that timely support to the farming community is a priority of the Maharashtra government, especially when unseasonal rains threaten standing crops. This proactive step by the Deputy Chief Minister underscores the state's resolve to stand firmly with farmers, protect livelihoods, and strengthen the agricultural backbone of Maharashtra through rapid response and targeted relief measures.
Finally, on World Water Day, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde urged everyone to save every drop, prevent pollution and protect nature's balance. Here's the full story.
On World Water Day, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde urged everyone to accept their responsibility in preserving nature's balance. He called for a firm resolve to avoid all forms of pollution and actively prevent environmental damage. Deputy CM Shinde described water as a life-giving elixir and stressed responsible use amid limited supplies. He said that wasting water rejects nature's gift, urging every drop to be saved in the face of global warming threats. Reiterating Maharashtra's commitment towards water conservation, the Deputy Chief Minister appealed for a strong pledge to use water responsibly, harvest every raindrop, increase sources and spread awareness.
These are this week's updates from Maharashtra. You're watching a special segment Next in Maharashtra. Stay tuned for more news and updates.